Hey, hello all, welcome to AI with Dhruv. And here just I was testing this agents mode that just Claude launched. So if you will able to see here, multiple agents are working at the same time, like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, front end QA engineer, and backend day, VRD manager, product manager. All these agents has been created, and you can see they all are working in a real time. And if I'll show you the file, here you can see, and because of they are working simultaneous, they are talking to each other as well. So here if I'll show you, this is a research one that I'm creating. These are the file that is being created. You can see all these files, okay, all those docs, BRE doc and all. And this is very detailed, very detailed at an enterprise level. You can see, right? So many, like so many things, so much thing that you can see right now. So how this works, first of all, we have created these agents. You can see there is setting.local, so it can create a proper agent. There is agent memory also that can be stored, so later on it can be used. And all the files here you will able to see each and every file that I have already created, and for each and everything, for task, for security, for GitHub publishing, everything I asked itself, the Claude itself. So it has generated so better task, which we can give to AI, so it can create a better agent which proper security proof. You can see, if I'll just show you the prompt: build the most comprehensive enterprise grade security audit, threat modeling and hardening system using a coordinate team specialized security agent. This team operates at a level of expected by Fortune 500 companies and all. And if you will see, these are like almost thousands of line codes, or MD file that is being written. So your AI is having proper context, proper prompt that can be done. Okay, and you can see DevOps agent completed, and now like QA engineer, all these things you are able to see in a real time. So how we did it? So if I'll just show you in a short, let me take you here. So here you can see orchestration teams of Claude Code. So here you can see agents team are experimental and disabled. So you have to first of all enable it. So you can ask like the same I told. Okay, if you go here downside, here we have code. Just copy and paste this code. Once you have copy and pasted this particular code, and once you are in your VS Code, so here if I'll just show you step by step the prompt that I given it. So here you can see configure Claude agents environment. So here you can see, right, hey, I want you to put this in our local setting in this particular project. So the project was this one, okay, these projects, and then second prompt was this only, right, this one, yeah, here. So I wanted to create a master reference guide. So I just took that particular Chrome link, okay, where we were just doing those research and all, and given it to Claude, and it has researched it has created all these file. You can see proper Claude file, and then done, right? So that is how we can ask AI itself, the Claude itself. It is going to help you a lot to generate each and every file that you wanted. Then those files can be used to develop an end-to-end product. And when I say end-to-end product, you will able to see the level of the kind of prompt it generated. So again, if I'll show you the line items, how many line here, almost 201. And if I'll show you in a better way, here you can see, okay, so prompt to multi-agent full stack build task flow project management dashboard. Build a working full stack project management dashboard called TaskFlow with authentication, Kanban boards, team management, and analytics dashboard. The result should be a running app I can view at local 3000 with the full CRUD of functionality, real-time task update, and a polished UI, plus complete documentation, BRD, PRD, system design, and a QA report confirming everything works, right? So yeah, if we are using in this particular way, you can develop any kind of product, and there are always security concerns for that as well. I asked it to generate a proper enterprise level security guideline and prompt, so it can generate enterprise level security, everything that needed any kind of company, right? And that's how we can tweak each and every time. So before building it, give a proper context, make it a proper prompt. If you do not have an idea, just ask Claude itself. It is going to give you a better prompt, the same way that I have generated over here, you can see, and it is going to make your work almost 50x more better. Okay, and if I'll go here, you can see LaunchPad Research is already launched. And if I'll just show you strategy MD file, here you can see, okay, LaunchPad AI master strategy docs status, okay, executive summary. The market is real but smaller than is initially. So better talk, right? Like if there are 10 or like 100 people are sitting at the same time, best brain. So that kind of docs and things can be generated, and of course you can verify, you can check once you feel good, and if you feel, yeah, this is something working, then just like, you know, make it at a production level also. Okay, so yeah, this is what I wanted to share. Just go check on your own. I already have given all the prompt. Very soon what I'll do, I'll update this in my GitHub as well, so there you can check agent with Dhruv. So in my GitHub also you will able to find, already I created this GitHub Publisher guide as well, so it is going to publish with proper read.me step-by-step thing, that how I did, and you can start building. Okay, use Claude in this particular way and you will able to see tremendous change, like, you know, almost 50x. You and your team entire, they are 50x. And I'll request all those companies, make a different team or different project at least to test and try. Do not wait, okay, someone will come and then will tell you. Make it happen, okay, because this is happening already, people are doing it. You all need to do how to do in a better way, and that you are able to see. Okay, and let me know in the comment if you have any question and doubt. I will help you with the same. Okay, and if you wanted me to coach your like entire company or your team, I love to. Okay, so I do consulting as well, that you can let me know and we can talk. Okay, there is an email aivithruv@gmail.com, or you can visit my website as well, aivithruv.com. so there we can discuss. Okay, thank you for watching.